Hey guys, so we're going to go through median today. So we're just going to recap what we did, going to go through accumulated frequency, some examples, and then mode and range. So first of all, recap. So we should know that median is the middle number. All we need to do is arrange the number set from the lowest to the highest, find the middle number, and if there's two middle numbers, then we just find halfway between them. For example, the first one, it's already arranged from lowest to highest, so we're going to find the middle number. What I like to do is just cross them off as I go. Choose the middle number. Now, for the second question, first thing is to arrange the numbers from lowest to highest. Find the middle numbers, which is going to be these two. If there's two numbers, we find halfway point. To do that, we add them together and divide it by 2. So 44 plus 56 is going to be 100. If we divide it by 2, then it's 50. So the median is 50. Now the alternative method, and sometimes this method is easier if there's a lot of numbers, is to find the total frequency and then divide it by 2, or plus 1 then divide by 2. So here, there is 11. So what we're going to do is 11 plus 1 divided by 2 is 6. 11 plus 1 being 12. Half of 12 is 6. That means the median is a sixth number. So we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth number is 2, that's the median. Same thing with this. There are 8 numbers, so total frequency equals 8. 8 plus 1 divided by 2 equals 4.5. That means the median is between the fourth and the fifth number, which we covered was 50. Next thing, accumulated frequency. Accumulate just means to build up. So what we're going to do is we are going to add up the current frequency with all the frequency before that. So what I mean is, first, frequency is 2. That means since there's no scores before it, accumulated frequency is 2. For the next column, it's going to be 6 because we're going to have 4 and what we had previous, 2. So each time we keep adding it up. Next is 8 because 6 plus 2 is 8. Next is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. So the final figure should be the total. The last accumulated frequency is also the total frequency. And that's it. Let's do some examples. So I got the accumulated frequency there. There are 11 scores. So we are going to do 11 plus 1, which is 12, divided by 2, which is 6. 6th score is the median, and if we have a look at the accumulated frequency, the first 2 scores are 1, the next 6 scores are, or the next 4 scores are 2, and the 6th score lies with the score of 2. So 2 is the median. Let's do a different example. So first we've got to do the accumulated frequency. So the first one's got a frequency of 11. Then we've got to add them up. 11 plus 16, 27. So 13 plus 27 is 40. And then 40 plus 6 is 46. what we're going to do is 46 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 23.5. That means the median is between the 23rd and the 24th number. Now, if you have a look at this row, score of 10 is up between 11 and 27 frequencies. So we know that 23 and 24 are both in this row. So first 11 are a score of 5, the next 16 has a score of 10. So the median is 10. We can do the same thing from histograms. So that's got a frequency of 2. If we keep adding them up, 7, 9, total of 12. So first two frequencies are here. Then number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 6.5 is in the 2 column. Alright, now mode and range. Mode and range are the easiest. Mode is the most common. That has the highest frequency. Mode is 2. Now the range is the largest score minus the lowest score. Now the important thing is score is x. That is the score, not the frequency. You go sideways. So the largest score is 4. Lowest score is 1. Range is 3. Last example. Most common is 16, so the score is 10. So we're worried about the score, not the frequency. The range is the largest score. The largest score is 20. Look in the score column, not the frequency column. Lowest is 5. Range is 15.